Neno già vengi calo buono. A opium koda. Na wajo no buona en koro odwa dhi kode marom.
Keep it clean.
I'm gonna go to one day. I'm gonna go to one day. How are you, Bree? Melho. I see melons. I'm gonna go to How are you, my brother? How are you, my brother? How are you, my brother? Hey. Hey. How you guys are? Mindful. Good morning. I see two white drown. Zydron. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go to Ayo, Amali also the vibe. No, I see two Zydranas. Soon TikTok will give you a blood tick. Keep the music on. Zedrana, ayo, Zedrana, Zedrana, Castro, ya, Zedrana, I see what then run as your love. Boom, Mali. Ha ha. Boom, Mali. Then run as ye. Then run as ye. Don't you along morning, morning, Uzuma. Bamole. Have you seen Bamole? Ayo. Have you seen the red runners also in the vibe? Because I know what you're beauty. I know what you're beauty. Let me come the Ghana. Oh, the Ghana. Ha ha. The Brunusia. He's got red runners. Thank you so much, my God. I'm in the Chanda, 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 oh Chanda. Have you seen my guy? Shalom, mama, Canyon, Canyon. Have you seen my guys? G Slim also in the vibe. Keep on watching. How are you, my brother? How are you, my brother? G Slim, huh? Are you good? Hey, Omera lang, Omera. Continue going. Ulitoroka? Ay. Guys, keep on watching. Why is Maka Mugenda? I play traditional instrument called Nyatiti. It is a low traditional instrument. Just keep on watching. Good. Oh, was wow. Chris Mama, Chris Mama, Chris Bazu, Chris Bazu, aye, Bazu. I wanna call my brother, Chris. Have you seen trees? Yeah. Thank you so much, Chris. Got the lion, peace on the mind. Got the lion, got the lion. Got the love, got the boom summa. Have you seen grind? Also grind. Run. Have you seen my guy Cosmas? Zozo, I jamming mamaka. MCA mapenzi outside the vibe. I'm really happy. Comic also watching. Morning. Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Maka Mugenda, playing traditional instrument. Bro, thank you so much. VIP, bro. You can join my club, please. You can join my club. Subscribe, please. VIP, Stefan King. How are you? Akakaboy Makosini Bekata VIP. How are you, my brother? Where are you watching from? I don't know the flag. Sabio Suresh Osomeva Suresh VIP. Woo. I love the IP. Joshua. Babi. I wanna sing to my brother. From Sabia, we are Captain also the van. Bambi, 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 Bambi. I give me a look and a mountain. VIP. Ha ha. It is it is Sabio. Ha ha. Ayo. Amakosini. I'm from Kenya. Babi, you bad. Oh, Mojan, bad. Babi, you bad. Mojan, oh, yeah. Mojan, Mojan, yare. Mojan, Mojan, hey. Have you seen my VIP also in the van? To go, Bambi Brenda, Bambi Dana, Bambi Smile, Moja, and the Lord will lie at Moja, on the Babio, I see my brother back, Dizzy, Canindari, Dizzy, Babirari, beautiful Bobby, Bobby, how is it? Avegan, is African radio. VIP, I see Walaka. Avegan, Avegan, Marino, but yeah, oh, we keep Patrick on the bar. Oh, we keep on the oh, we keep on the yeah, hello, my uncle. Have you seen a witty, my God? Moja, ha ha. Better life band. My woman, my everything. I survive zero. I think my human, my everything. I know. My human, good, my human, my everything. My human, my everything. 5-0. We need to jump, we need to jump, what a big, we need to jump, I said, I've been simple my woman, my everything. Guten Morgen, Smoke it up. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Hello, Maria. Good morning, Maria. My woman, my everything. Ayo Monta. I see mental also in the car. If you like the vibe, just say oh. Oh. Traditional better life, yeah. Better life. Ati better life band. Thank you so much, Bumsuman Kunigunde. I feel like the vibe just say. I will still good. Can you. Ayo, ati de are. I see someone with a better life. Guys, if you have a lion, you can share with me. Money gun, galaxy. Someone with a money gun or galaxy. Let's continue. I can Azerbaijan. Some people from Azerbaijan. Buju 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 buju. Last year, can you Gonaba, Gonabamba, Inabamba, ayo, Inao, Inabamba, Koibo, Manojaze, Kanyo, Bujulati, Kanyo. I come back to my root, Matali. Like a mother, back to my root. Kanyo. I don't see Kunigunde where you. Aye, chocolate man of the farm, yasa. Kanyo. Ayo. Davio son de vai que mocoeja. I wake up in the morning, I wake up in the morning, mental go, kanyo, chocolate. Better dance, my dear, better dance. Go. I wanna get with the man. I better get with the man. I wanna. Ha ha. Man to my motherland, my guy. Man to my roots. African bender. Back to my root. Ha ha. Hello, Romero. Oh my goodness, that's a vibe. My name is Mark Muganda, guys. Today, every morning I don't wear like this, but there's a reason why I wear like this today. Only what vibes, you don't know the main reason why I wear like this. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Muganda, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is one of the the instrument. Guys, this is my tip box. Guys, if you have something small, you can send to me now. Please. This is a tip box, guys. Yeah, for the yesterday, I've already used. If you have a PayPal banner, this is my PayPal banner. So you do something, I put here. Yeah, that's the work. Not for the sound box. That's the work. And also, if you have a Galaxy, I'll just put it here, or money gun. Thank you so much. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-S space Mugenda. Guys, they give me now. I see triple also the man. let me take this palm wine, guys. This one is palm wine. Original palm wine. Hey. One of the traditional palm wine. Please subscribe, Bwana. You are too many, guys. Maria. Let me play something special to Maria. Maria, thank you so much for the rose. I see Alexio. Yeah. Umbita. Umsuman from Australia. Maria, mama. I'm Michelle. Dr. Ferroza. Stefani Uzodema. Why are you Maria? Devi Maria. Umsumara. Devi Maria. Naughty. I noticed that. Even down the line. Notice. Even down the line. Beautiful Lord. Can you shake you can you shake you hello? I see better on the mind. Just to you know, man, Namoyo. I see you, my guy, also never. Where's this, my brother? You know, Zilo Baba. Ayo. Oh, drink it. Ariana dancing. The beautiful Ariana. Chocolate. Ariana Bustamara. Ariana. Ivota. I see it in my life. Yeah. I get one. It's good. Chuku. Yeah, it's Makamugenda Ladia. Ooh, beautiful Ladia. Hey, Ladia, DM make. Ladia is more beautiful. Wow. You know, my grandfather told me some ladies were born, but some were created like Maria. Boom, so were created. Safet also in the bar. Sing my name, please. I'm gonna sing for you. Safet. Don't worry. Some more liquor. Sabetalo. Ladi. Slim G. Sabetale. Ayo, ladi, ladi. I wanna sing to Sabe, Sabe da Manolo, Sabe da Manolo. Sabe da Bamba, Sabe da Gumba, Sabe da Yani Galavina Gumba. Ha ha. Ayo, Nepa. Sabe da Ya, Sabe da. I see Belisti. Asaveda. Ilana Lomani. Ilana Lomani. Where's Ladi? Ayo, Barakara Gumbe Gumbe. Ha ha. Ladi, 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 Ladi. Tawa tungono longo Ladi. Mukina mango punya Ladi. Dipe. Oh, ay, ay, ha ha. Bumzuman, eh? Bumzuman, ayo, Bumzuman, ha, Bumzuman. You drank from there, my bar. I'm not right. I'm done with the some rules. I'm done with the some rules. I'm done with the pink and roots. Ha ha. Ayo, where's the sapphire? Jojingesa. Yawakara don't get in your daddy. Can you say Bana Pino Daddy? I say Pino Daddy last year. Ha ha. Daddy, Queen of Seven. I need the Queen of Seven to do something like this. Queen of Seven. I don't know if you can do for me that one. Ayo, ayo, Yamakara don't get you daddy. I sing on a pino daddy. Ayo, Zuma. I don't see Sapeta Bwana. Where's Larry? I need someone who will know to play bass guitar. Sebenyo. Where's the drumist? Yawakana don't get pino daddy. Oh, one love also in the vibe, my Smaka Mugenda. One love, make it together, guys. Someone with the galaxy, Buana. Ay, yo, Omera. Someone with money, God, never change your clothes, brother. Sumo, I will never change, bro. I will never change, bro. This because this one is the Guinea. Do you know the Guinea? The Guinea. So know the Guinea. I still one love my brothers on the vibe. Never, never. I don't see other people close. I'll do season from now. Don't wear. Let me take some palm wine. Guys, thank you so much. Someone, bro, you know, I forgot to tell you something. These are traditional, bro. And also, if you want to tip me, I have a PayPal, please. And this is my tip box, please. I'm serious about it. Or M-Pesa if you're watching in Kenya, bro. Rasdi also in the vibe. Huh? Let me play for you something here. Say, My Way. Baila. Hey, your name is very simple, but not easy. Pato sondewa, maya, ongalole, maya namote. If I say you coming on to dance with me, and I tell you to sing over me. If I say lady dance, bonga dance. Hey. If I say lady shake, boom suman, can you shake? If I say dara do, aye, imina noga noga, imina waga waga, aye, imina pinkandia, maye, ongalole. If I say we have to smile, everyone please smile. If I say bungle, aye, baba bungle, achiro bungle, hey ya bangba, okay ya bangba, bumsumanu bangba, let's go. Ha ha! Yamina Udro Magawaga Lamin on the bar Vitamin B Can you bungle? Hey, hey, you take your bungle. Aye, ha ha. Where are my girls at? Come close, I wanna see you going down, down on the floor. Ha ha. Where is Shinoda? Shino, Shinoda. Shingolo, Shino Yawa, Adindo Yawa. Ha ha. Naruga, Apura. Chico, Chico, Studio, closet, aye, new clubbing, closet, have you seen my guys sing along? More dance, we jump, so next dollar. UFC, ayo, ongalole, warumaya nyamu. Can you laugh? Nzurila, Nzela, Asmo. I see my guy falls away from where? Vitamin D. Hey, yeah. Vitamin D. Someone with the galaxy, bwana. Someone with the galaxy hour. Today I have not seen galaxy, bwana. The galaxy and Manigan, the brother. Thank you so much, Vitamin D. Thank you so much, Suno, my guy. I'm really happy to see you guys this morning. Vibe with Maka Mugenda. I see. Yeah. Sasa poa sana niaje? Thank you so much, Vitamin D. May God bless you, Vitamin D. I see Lisa. Umejaza ala yako. Pololo vitamin D. Hey, hey. Linda, Linda. Minha boda. Linda, Linda. I wanna bambari. I wanna bambari. I wanna. Ha ha. Lumia. Lumia. I wanna sing to Vina Bimbi. Maria of the vine. Ha ha. Vitamin D, yeah. Vitamin D, yeah. Vitamin D shine. Vitamin D shine. Jamo jamo. Anana. Solo. Dio sonema. Can you take good? Can you go that? Ha ha. I come up with the therapy Makale. I come up with my therapy Makale. Thank you so much, Vitamin D. Maria, 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 Boom Suman, Maria, hey, no problem. Oh, we gonna jam. Yes, you. Anna, abusing Maria, Maria, Maria. Boom, man, Balaki on the man. Obama! I see my guy Ilam. Oh, Kaladio, the daughter of native doctor, she fall in love with me. Jolio, have you seen the daughter Ororo? Daughter of native doctor. Have you fallen in love with the daughter of native doctor Wagina? Anna, oh Anna, the daughter of native doctor. She fall in love with Maka. I don't know how will it be again? Nyakwardani. I see Uncle on the vine. Soon also on the vibe. Keep on watching. I really appreciate Toto. How are you? Hey, Omera. And thank you so much. Keep on watching this Makamugenda Galaxy also in the vibe. Keep on watching and also remember to subscribe on YouTube. I want to play one song with my beautiful lady. Toto Mera, where are you? Let me take some palm wine here, guys. I'm from Kenya, bro. I'm from Kenya. You can join the club. It's called Makamugenda Club. You can join the club. It's called Makamugenda Club. Kwani pod in Congo bana. Niko Congo. Yeah. So you can join the club. It's called Makamugenda Club. Yeah. Also on YouTube if you can. And also Lika also in the vibe. Also, if you want to kill me with something, I have a PayPal, buana. Why can't I say that? Bad buddy. You miss. Yes, I miss it. I miss it, Queen of Seven. You can just send it to me. Ayo! Where's Dr. Kenya? money gun. I want money gun. Galaxy I have. Douglas Colosso in the beginning, in the beginning, Kayla. In the beginning, Victor, my brother, yeah. In the beginning, love is so sweet, mama. Love is so sweet, mama. When you see the I wanna go to my dodo, mama. I see vitamin D, Juju. I'm have you seen Toto Kenya? Came from the bar. Juju. And now okay, Allah. Juju. And now okay, Allah. I see came from the bar. Abiro. And now okay, Allah. Simonka, let's continue the vibe. My Smaka Mugenda playing Kevin's also on the vibe. Just keep on watching. I really appreciate you. Please stand and show us the traditional attire. Let me stand, bwana. These people. Omera. Semeji neno bwana. They want to see the attire. Semeji neno. This is the attire. Huh? And kakanyo. I think now you see the attire. I think now you see the attire. Wow, yeah, that's how it is. Thank you so much. Okay, let's continue the vibe, man. I can't do that now. You see, Jaman, I'm just turn around. I can't. Erolo Creek, Okanyal Maniran, Okanyal Makatidum. Ayo. I can't. Yeah. Mama Roni, where are you watching from? Loisy. Have you seen Loisy? Come on. Yeah. That lady with the white rosa. Ayo. Ha ha. Come on. Ayo. Come on. Come on, the one. Momo. Where's vitamin D? Mama. Ayo. Yeah. Yawanya konogalang maraja. That lady Tuso. Sumo bala. Sumo. Ayo, smart joy o sandeva. That lady with the white clothes eye. Hello, beautiful lady from Nigeria, I think. Oga. Yawanya kono kulong maraja. Mario Shangri Gamal Ayo Joyo Etisadi everyone shaking your bumble. I see good. I'm Jenga. Amaya. Yawanya kumubunge maraja. Tutu mama. In Mali, also in the vibe. Keep on watching. My name is Mark Muganda. I really appreciate your time. Everyone who's watching, also remember to subscribe on YouTube. I see Queen of Seven also in the vibe. Just keep on watching Kesa. Yeah. Atula. Vitamin D. Ayo. Isinekesa bulungi. Emila. Maria. Someone with the money gun now. Oh, Caroli. This is a song for those who like to talk too much. Maloke. For those who like to talk too much, this is your song. We call them longer. Maloke. Ayo, we are one. Wanna be one. One people, one people now. I say, bonsoir. Some people from Australia, some people from Kenya, some people from America. Baba, if we are one, where's vitamin D? We are one. Wanna be one, one nation, one world. We love each other. We know that. Some from Arizona, some people from Arizona. PM Simba, Dana, like on the ball. There's so much is called Nyatiti. Can you? Those we are one. Madu. Kawere ngatomu genda yes, go upon watching Moka Mugenda. If you like the vibe, please clap your hand. If you like the vibe, clap your hand. Also, you remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. This is a very special morning, guys. I really appreciate your time. Hey, Feather, long time. Yeah, I've not been doing workout. Feather, how are you? Long time, Feather. I've not seen you for long, but I'm okay. I'm good. I see. You know, now from Arizona, I was on the vibe. Much love, much love. I was recharging. No, Prince, it's me, Buana. Show me where you live, bro. I live in the bush. I live in the bush, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Mr. Nice. I see precious souls in the vine. Let me do this so that those who are watching on YouTube can watch. Alexa! Thank you so much, Imani. Hey. I see Timothy on the bar. Veronica, Venom. Nitakupigia simu, don't worry. Yesterday nilikuwa na bonfire. Kokoliko. Nilimaliza later. Aroma. Ayo, kenma jangle. Ala malinga. 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 Dodo mama. Hey, Cristo, hello, pado, hello, pado, Roma, pado, Ramaya, Aro, Wologora, Passaud, my love, I greet you. I don't know you. Who is this? Call me. I don't know your name. I can imagine. Ramure, Amisana, Odenga, shake your kanungo, in the melody. I do know diggity, Mr. Do you know the dance? Yeah. Trending a Java. Ha ha. Maria Mama. Yeah. I was born in a Lagos area. Positivity in a Lagos area. Yeah. I was in Magali. Yeah. And the Lord. Our culture gone. Fishermen from the lake. Janabu. Yeah. Mr. Nat. Are you Janabu? Fisherman vibe. Ooh, fisherman vibe. Have you seen my goal? Venom is the song. Yeah, I see Venom. Thank you so much, Venom. Also in the vibe. Very nice. The vibe is from Fisherman vibe. Jungle vibe also if you like. Boss Lil also in the vibe. Yeah, that's fine. I want to give you the song. This is a song that I like so much. I'm the one like this song. I'm the one. I like the song. I don't know if you will like also. Venom. Yeah, this is a song that my grandfather liked to play for me. By the time the guy was still alive. The song is called Karaber. Karaber. Karaber means something good, something nice. Yeah. By the time you meet a beautiful lady, guys, on walking along, yeah, you have to call him Jaber. My dear, you are more Jaber. More Jaber. More Jaber. My eye. That's romantic word, man. Jaber. Jaber means something beautiful, something good, something wow. Yeah. So when you hear me say Karaber, that means it's something good, something nice, something wow, something wow, even and some more. Yeah, let's continue. Wow, let me recharge the bundles before I start. Brother, you want message private? I didn't like help you. I like to help you. Brother, can you message my private? Yes, Mr. Yes, Ramadan, I will make me happy. Mr. Nice, follow me. Mr. Nice, please follow me. Mr. Nice, please follow me. After you follow, I'll follow you back. Also, try to DM me. Yeah. Yeah. Woman rapper. Carol. I'm from Kenya, Mr. Nice. This is a song I was telling you. Venonia. I see black angel. Celestina. Ayo. Misana, I have decided to Maka to sing to my brother. Yeah. Misana, Misana, yeah. Hello, West Boom Suma. Oh, Mr. Nice. Parabo. Thank you, Parabo. Hello. Antonio Ba. Antonio Ba. Antonio. Adimbong. If you like to shake your body, Mr. Nice, shake your body. Woman rep, can you dance? Can you dance? Ayo, ango malkalo disco. Ha ha. Ayo, kera para boy, para I see how missing another man food is another man poison. Hey, hey. Mr. Nice, can you fast now? Fasting and prayer, fasting and prayer. I prayer, I prayer. Even maga prayer. I you. Chalrede, ayo, chalrede. Give me I done. Opija from a pasiri the jogi opija kizunguya. Opija kwaje. Opija nyago sikarala kaseru mi muda biamo. Pridacy on the man. There's a guy by the name of Opija. Opija, the man of English. English, you remind me about my guy. Minus just talk, just talk. Oh, I have a friend back in the village by the name Olo. Olo was one of my close. My brother, what you write, I don't understand. Mr. Nice, I don't understand that one. Olo told me, Maka, if you want to seduce a lady, you have to compare her with her mother. When you find her mother is ugly, you can run to her grandmother. But when the grandmother is also ugly, my brother, take your alcohol, drink, my brother, and now sleep. Leave them. Okay, you are from Germany. Danka, bro. Danka. Move to the stall and drink coffee. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. How are you doing? Hazao. Watching Laura. Thank you so much. Also, if you like the vibe, guys, also you can tip. I forget to tell you. Ogendo, I miss you. Shady of your app and and I'm fine. I'm good, bro. I'm good. Yeah. Jason. My guy, Jason. How are you, brother? Short time, bro. Just be patient. Mr. Nice, be patient. Just be patient. I want to help you. Congo Candy. Yes, I'm in Congo River. According to the time, my brother, my time is now up. I remain with one song, and I'll call it a day. Mr. Nice is the last song I'm playing. Yeah. Right in the middle. Just inbox me, Mr. Nice. Now you got it. Take my WhatsApp number now. Take my WhatsApp number. Okay, it will be fine. +254. Just write it down. +254. Just write it. +254. That's the code of Kenyan code. +254. That's my number. Because right now I can't do anything. I'm in live the other side also. I have three phones in live. Plus 254 720 15 9271. Plus 254 720 15 9271. That's my WhatsApp. Let you my number there. I'll let you. Okay. What's the I see Victor Train is saying hi from Australia. Samson, how are you, my brother? Victor from Australia. Victor Danilo. Victor my brother from Australia. And my guy from Australia. Kepoa GSM Lema. I just Yakadungo Benja GHV. Hello. Rabisino Tongolo. Akebo Baba Kamaki. Awakebo Bende. Awakebo Jambo Kebo Baba. Akebo Luni. Didier. Akebo Luni. Baba. Mario. Amaya Karala Otanglo. Yabo. Do you know Tongolo? Otongolo is money. Money. No money, no Tongolo. No money, no Tongolo. Otongolo, yeah. It's on the bar. Ramyo Maria. Maria asking Jumbo. I don't know if Jumbo or Jumbo. Maria. Run with top. Thank you so much, my God. Thank you so much, Run with the Down. I wanna give you the last song. Say, Mama, tell me. Jambo Africa Abarigani. Jambo is Jambo, not Jabo. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the vibe, also you can appreciate through PayPal. If you want to donate, Maka. If you want to, it's not donating, it's tipping, yeah, something like tipping, Omera. If you want to tipping someone like me, have a PayPal. You know I'm a Luo Chuki, and you know Luo is that just calling. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. Subscribe on YouTube. I really appreciate your time. Everyone is watching. Tabira Jehovah. What's your name? I don't know. I just see the flag of America. Mama told me, Vero, Jenko. Mama told me, 9 morning, 9:06 a.m. Mama told me, Jenka. Mama told me, if you wanna live long, Jenka. Mama told me, if you wanna live long, Queen of sometimes be happy. Yeah. I ask mother, hey. I ask mother, big boy. Oh, mama, no, mama, gentle mother. Someone with the money gun now. I'm on it. Mama, gentle mother. Hey. Remember, on earth will be Mother's Day. Mother's Day. Mario. Salvi on the line. Oh, mother, gentle mother. I see your name at the art. Also one instrument. Just inbox me, my brother. Linko. Mama told me, if you wanna live long, then mother, then Kaya we shall see your mama, mother, my mother, mother, Bella. Nenanyero mama, nenanyero mama, apologize. Guys, someone with the money gun, please. Nenanyero mama, Olio. If you love mother, say mother, I love you. This is a special dedication to all mother in advance, you know. It will be Mother's Day internationally. Zimbabwe. Sakina, mother, oh mother, Afro-Legion, mother, is on the Mother's Day internationally. And I thank your mother, boom to man, mother, mama, yeah, mama, young mama. Mother told me, if you wanna live long, Italia, I see Italy from Russia, Mama. Thank you so much, everyone who is watching my Smaka Mugenda playing traditional instrument. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate you, everyone. Guys, I think now I can go. Before I go, someone with the money gun. But today I have not seen money gun. But how can that happen? My lovers are many. I have a lot of lovers. Guys. I have a lot of girl lovers. My lovers. Someone can help me with money gun. Mama, thank you so much. Everyone watch the vine. Chantele. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate you, everyone watching. And the instrument I was playing, I'm playing now. The instrument I'm playing is called Nyatiti. It's a low traditional instrument. The attire, the regalia that I'm wearing, it's called Piende. Maor, Johnny. Maor, ya maor, Aor. She's a lady, that's the name of lady. Denny lady. Denny lady. Aye, hello, Denny lady. Maor. Nawajingoga. When you know she was born in the night. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was Johnny. Her mother was hello, Johnny. Viva! Are you dancing? Are you shaking? Tell me beauty. Beautiful, tell me Banubi, Yari Banubi, Woro Mama Banubi. When you know she was born in the night, select an junior. When you know she was born in the night, her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Like a Maria. Aye. Her mother was a proud woman. Her mother was a proud woman. Her father was a tough woman. Like a I want to the school. I want to the city. I want to Nairobi. I Project. Are you dancing? Are you jamming? Are you partying? Are you kissing? Are you? Thank you so much for clapping. That's the end of my streaming today. Have a nice time. Jed, how are you? Long time. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time. Everyone watch the streaming. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'm done. I'm done, guys. Until in the evening, guys, I will be with you. Don't worry. In the evening, I'll be with you. My name is Maka Mugenda. Have a great day. Love you, everyone. And also, hey, I forgot to tell you something. Guys. Also, if you want to tip, guys, for those who want to tip, that one is more than serious. This is a tip box, guys. You cannot be enjoying like this, bwana. This is a tip box, bwana. My PayPal is here, yawa. Womuga, my PayPal is here, bwana. Thank you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time. Everyone was the streaming. What is the kind of the wood? That is it's like baobab, but it's not baobab. I don't know in English. I know in my language. My language is called what's this? Yago Kanwak. Yago Urpocho Maponi. Yeah. So it depends with the, but it's a special wood, not just it's not a hard wood, it's just a soft wood. Yeah, so the instrument is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti is a low traditional instrument, guys. Thank you so much. That's the end of my streaming today. I really appreciate, not today, for now. Yeah, I have a lot of things to do now. Have a a nice time, guys. I love you so much. I would like to continue because of time. I have a lot to do. Yeah. Thank you so much. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. Yeah, take care, bro. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Blessings. Blessings. Only for those who do fitness can do that. If you are not doing, please don't try. Don't try at home. Omera.